Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming which backup contains your photos and why that matters. iCloud stores media differently than a local encrypted iTunes/Finder backup. On a Mac or PC, open Finder or iTunes, locate the backup list, and note the date and size so you extract the correct archive. Make sure you have the Apple ID credentials and the device passcode or encryption password if the backup is protected. Once done, free up disk space and prepare a folder to save recovered photos for a clean workflow. You now extract the images. Choose a reliable extraction tool for local backups. iMazing or iBackup Viewer work well because they parse the backup structure and let you export media directly. For iCloud, sign into iCloud. Or use iCloud for Windows to download originals. This avoids full device restores. Navigate to the media/camera roll path inside the backup browser, select the date range or albums you need. Then export originals to your prepared folder. Make sure to export full-resolution files so metadata and live photos remain intact. You finish by verifying the exported photos. Open several files to check timestamps, orientation, and that live photos play correctly. Convert Hike to JPEG only if necessary to maintain compatibility. Move the recovered images into your Photos app or a structured folder, then back them up again to cloud or external storage. If photos are missing, make sure you tried the correct backup date and toggled encrypted backups. Then rerun extraction or check iCloud settings to confirm photo syncing was enabled at the backup time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.